Hello there, and welcome to Who's That Pokemon? Today we're opening Scarlet and Violet. It's going to be a very interesting pack, I hope. Now let's see. This is how we open it. This is how I open it. I'm going to be very disappointed if I don't get anything good. Come on. Now, you guys deserve this. Get it. This is for you. Scan it and use it for your Pokemon TCG. I'll make a video of those stuff with QR code so you guys can have even more. Alright, let me see something. Alright, this one is energy. This time I'm going to do this right. First card is energy. Basic energy. Beautiful. Second card, Greavard. Third card, Mischief. Oh my, interesting card. Fourth card, Spupa. Fifth card, Meditee. Whatever. We have, great, another Greedent. I'm going to be getting a lot of those. Torkoal. This is a very cool Pokemon. I'm serious. Oh my, this monster. Like, this creature is hideous. It doesn't have eyes. This is Scovillain, whatever. Oh my, we have a Shroomish. Huh. Oinkolongi, or however you call it. Now we have one more card. I wonder what kind of a card this is. Oh, it's Palma.